Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video, and this is your guy, the project guy. Okay, this doesn't mean will not be creating projects in it. Actually, I am creating projects in the background, but the thing is, like, I'm trying to officially, like, one by one, consecutively get all the concepts covered that comes under the React JS. So the last time we did was keys. Now we would be jumping into what is this React.createElement. Last time we did React.create root, right? Okay, let me just go back and let me just. Where is it? Oh, root.render we did last time. But I don't know, I can't be down. Yeah, create root. Now, create root we have used in the past. Now, what you would be using is like create element. Okay, like similar. Okay, advanced JSX. Says it can take 3 minutes, will be taking 5 minutes. Okay. React.create element. You can write React code without using JSX at all. So you can, if I zoom in here, so this file is saved with an extension JS. So it is basically saying it will provide the same functionality like of a JSX file, even if you just put the extensions as .js, not .jsx. If you just simply put it at .js also, so it's saying it will run the React code. Okay. The majority of the React programmer do use JSX, but you should understand that it's just possible to write React code without it. Okay? Just a convention, a largely accepted convention kind of a thing. The following JSX expression. So, can you tell me what is wrong in here? I think we should use curly braces or something, right? We should use curly braces here. But it's okay. Doesn't hasn't used it, so why should we use it? So we have HTML tags inside inside a variable named h1. You can see. So it can also be written as okay. It can be written without JSX. What the fuck? What the fuck? So I think you have to write JSX because if you avoid writing JSX, then you have to put this React.createElement here like that till here. Okay, and then what the heck? H1 hello world null. What is this null stands for? I think null stands for, I guess, the attributes of h1 or something. Anyways, but this is the text content of the h1 tag. Damn, we have to write React.createElement. Like here, React.createElement. React.createElement. Anyways, when a JSX element is compiled, the compiler transforms the JSX element into when a JSX element, the compiler can transform the JSX element into a method that you can see above. Create element. Transform the JSX element into the method. Every JSX element is secretly a call to React.createElement. Okay. We don't go into depth how React element work, but check on to learn more. Check on React documentation. Okay. Let's have a look here. So it's like too much of shit to cover. You know what we'll be doing? Like we'll just copy this. If you don't like a certain way a certain thing looks like, you have the ability right now. We have AI. So like pull out in, let me just zoom it for you, in very easy way, but do not miss important file, but make it a quick read. Include topics like, what is the topic? Make it sound cool and easy and short from this. From this. I don't know if it will work. Yeah, it worked. So let's just read this. So okay, React.element, the basics. The React element is your go-to tool when you are not feeling like the whole JSX vibe. just writing the .jsx extension is just giving you so much of pain. It's how you create a React element in old school days. No fancy tags needed. So it's just like this. Like in JavaScript, you just write const keyword and you name your variable. Okay, and then you assign it to this function. This function's work is basically to create React elements. So here type, this can be a h1 tag, div or anything, or p tag or anything. Props. What do you mean props? Think of these as attributes for the elements. As I said, that this null here, this null which is being used here is basically a prop. It's basically an attribute of a prop. Anyways, children, these are the elements, the babies. क्या लिखा है रे भाई? Children, element babies like text and other elements, however you want outside, whatever you want inside this tags. Why use it? Normally you would just write this. Okay, but with create element, it's more like it's more like uh, create element. React.create element, not like that, man. React.create element. Okay, anyways, it doesn't like to put it like that. Both are the same, just different style. JSX is easier on the eyes, but gives you a raw control if you need it. Example time. Let's see. Example time. Why the codes are so complicated? I mean, I don't want to go into the code. Take away React.element is a JSX free way to write element. It's more manual but gives you flexibility. JSX is cleaner and easy in most cases. Yeah, both style works, but JSX is usually way you go to special reasons if you want to go down dirty. Anyways, man, that was unnecessary thing to go and read this, waste time. Look, in a few minutes we finished it. It is in ChatGPT. Anyways, got my hair. Okay, stop sounding like. Anyways, when JSX element is compiled, the compiler transforms the JSX element into a method, and you can see above. I can see that. It's okay. I don't want to jump into that. So take a look at the following JSX element: const greatest div ever. I am a div. What does that mean? Is equals to div. I am a div. I am a div. Okay. I looked. In app.js, create the following element without using the JSX. Okay, before jumping into that, so can you tell me what is that? What was the thing called? Okay, wait, let me just say. Huh. What is the type of this element? This is a div. And are there any props? So since there is no attributes inside this very starting tag, so there is no attributes or simply null. So how do we write those things? With just comma. Okay, and this is the baby, the children's inside it. It's quite easy to write. React.createElement, and inside this start with, okay, how do we write it? In quotes, div, and we type in null, and then we type in our text. I am a Barbie girl in my Barbie world. Mama. Same to same. So instead of tags, we use double quotes here. That's it. So do we run it? We do run it. It ran. And yeah. Why would I use Reactor instead of the JSX? We just answered it. Why do we use it? Can you just say? When you want to go down dirty with Reactors, want to keep it simple and sweet. Oh god, it will be very scary, man. Anyways, bye bye, Tata, take care. This is all for the video, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, Tata. Bye bye. Okay, what are we learning in the next video, by the way? Review. We'll be reviewing this entire section. Okay. As if I care. We do not care. Bye.